Hey, let me ask you something real quick. When was the last time your TV actually made you pause and smile instead of tweak settings again? This is the Samsung Q7F. This is for the kind of person who notices when something is almost good enough and refuses to live there. You read not chasing specs for fun anymore. You want something that feels right the moment you turn it on. Before we go any further, check the current price and availability right now. These don't sit still for long, and waiting usually costs more than you expect. You know that moment when you realize it is time to upgrade? For you, it wasn't dramatic. It was subtle. The grayish blacks during night scenes. The sound that never quite followed the action. The sense that your old TV was holding back everything else connected to it. The first week with this TV feels like relief. You stop adjusting. You stop second guessing. You just sit down and let the experience happen. Movies feel intentional again. Sports finally have depth. Games feel responsive in a way that quietly pulls you in. Picture late-night binge sessions where colors stay rich without being harsh. Weekend gaming where motion stays smooth and clean even during chaos. Casual YouTube turning into one more episode because everything looks more alive. Even regular cable somehow feels upgraded, like your content finally caught up to your expectations. It's not about numbers. It's the confidence of knowing the picture is doing exactly what it should every single time. The soundtrack's movement naturally, so action feels connected instead of floating around the room. Do yourself a favor and don't wait for weird stock gaps or sudden price jumps. When you know something fits your setup and your habits, timing matters. If you wondering whether this is overkill, that doubt usually comes from past compromises. This isn't flashy for attention. It's refined for daily use. And the surprise benefit is how fast it adapts to what you're rewatching. You stop thinking about modes because the TV already knows what looks best. Owning this feels calm. There's pride in choosing something built with restraint and intelligence instead of noise. Every time you consider something cheaper, you circle back here because you know what you'd be giving up. The picture feels clean, confident, and balanced. Motion stays smooth without distraction. Sound follows action naturally. Daily viewing feels quietly premium. Setup disappears into your routine. It's not the cheapest option. You want quality content to match it at some point. You stop comparing and choose the thing you already wanted. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and wish you'd done sooner. Check the price, trust your instinct, and bring home the screen that finally matches your standards.